Hi, this is Rick from DuraCoat, and today we're going to go through some troubleshooting. DuraCoat's a very user-friendly product and is not prone to many issues, but sometimes things happen. Alright, we're going to go through some of the issues you may see. The first one here, this one would be called Fisheye, which is caused by silicone somewhere in your building. It could be in like a tube caulk. Some of the gun sprays, lubricants may have silicone in them. You could try to remove them from the building and try it again. If that doesn't work, because silicone would get airborne, you would need to spray it in a different location. And that's about all you can do with the fisheye. And the next one would be orange peel, which looks like a little wave in your DuraCoat, which is caused by your DuraCoat being too thick. And you could reduce your DuraCoat and spray light layers. And make sure you don't spray your DuraCoat too thick, because that would make it orange peel as well. So the most part would be to reduce it and spray it lighter coats. And the next one, this would be a chipping issue, which is caused by not getting your substrate prepped well enough. You would have to go back and re-sand it and degrease it. And the next one here, this one is called blushing. And this white looking stuff would be water caught between your DuraCoat and the substrate. How you take care of that is you would use DuraCoat retarder to slow down the dry time of the DuraCoat, or you'd wait another day until the humidity and weather gets right for you. And this one is dry spray, which happens when the DuraCoat dries before it gets to the substrate. And if you'd feel it, it feels rough. And sometimes it does come off if you get the dry spray. Okay, if this happens, you would use DuraCoat retarder, which again would slow down the drying time of DuraCoat, or wait for another day when the weather has become better. And this one is what DuraCoat should look like when it's done correctly. It's nice sheen on it, nice and smooth, and it'll last a lifetime.